Hello guys, welcome to In 5 Minutes. Today our topic is logic gates. Now logic gates are very important to study the processing, analyzing of the digital signals. There are three types of logic gates, basically divided into basic, derived and universal. We will see one by one. First we will see the basic logic gates. Very first basic gate is the OR gate. The logic IC number is IC7432. Now what do you mean by OR gate? OR means one or another, means there will be always two inputs. Let us say those inputs will be A and A comma B. So what will be their OR operation? OR operation Y will be given as A or B. This plus sign resembles the A or B. You can read it as A or with B. This expression we have already studied like this: A union B. This is nothing but the OR gate. We'll see the logical symbol. Symbol for the OR gate is like this: two input lines A, B. This symbol in digital is known as OR gate. Therefore Y is equal to A OR with B. If you are going to see the truth table for the OR gate is like inputs, output expected, where inputs are 2 A, B and output is given as Y is equal to A OR with B. So since there are two inputs, there will be 4 combinations likewise. See, first of all I am going to keep A constant and I am going to vary B. So A, since A is the only bit, it can take only two values, 0 and 1. So first I will take A is equal to 0. So with A0, B changes its value from 0 to 1. Just like when A0 is B also 0, and again when A is 0, B is 1. With this kind of thing we can conclude all the combinations between 1 and 2, that is A and B. So what would be the next combinations? Next combination, as A turns to 1, B is again going to be get 0 and 1 with 1 A1. So output, now output will note as A or B. So 0 0, both are absent, output Y will be 0. 0 1, see either of the input is present, A or B. In this case B is present, so B 1. Here A is present, so output is 1. Both are present, output is also 1. This is the basic logic gate, first OR gate.